All right, guys, 2016 Mini Cooper, not the S. This is the John Cooper Works edition. It's got a bigger turbo on it, different valves and pistons. So it's pushing about another 20 horsepower over stock, and it's got bigger brakes, as you guys can see there. You can see from the calipers right there, like huge for more stopping power. It's a quick little car. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So I got the converter there, resonator there, 3-inch pipe all the way back. And then we added another 3-inch pipe. Then we did a custom hanger setup for it to hold. So any other muffler shop, that's what you do. Because the muffler goes all the way to here and then the hanger's right there. So you have to do a custom hanger on it. That's our custom hanger there. Then we finished it off nicely with a Flowmaster 4-inch out tip. Just looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer than the stock one right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. There's the stock muffler that was on it, and that's what I'm talking about with the length and the hanger there. So that's why we did that custom hanger on it, piped hanger. It looks a lot cleaner too. Anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Mini Cooper, John Cooper Works edition. Again. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Yeah, that resonator's got to come off. I think if you do the resonator delete, leave the secondary cat, or do the high flow secondary. Yeah. Oh, we have them. We got everything in stock. We'll hook you up. I like the paintwork on it too. That's how they come factory. So that's how you can tell they're the John Cooper Works edition with the British black. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yep. Yeah, that's perfect. It needs a little bit more sound, but I think that resonator's got to go. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.